Yeah. Slow mo.
Hey now fam, hope you're well. It's your girl TiaBellaBeauty. So today I'm in front of the camera, as you would have already noticed. Double Dip has sent me a box of their goodies, some nail products. I'm going to be unboxing for you today, and I'm going to be showing you everything that they sent me, and then we are going to do a set of nails. So we're going to get started first of all with this gorgeous holographic bag. Perfect for traveling and carrying your nail products in. You can put your makeup products in here. There's a variety of uses that you could use this for. Absolutely very pretty, and I like that it's a nice personal touch because you don't actually get this in much kits that you purchase for nails. So we'll move straight along to the main star of the show, which are the dip powders. And I've only actually ever used dip powder on my channel like once. Okay, so the first color here is called Lily Luster, and it looks like a nude color maybe. You can't really see it, but I'm gonna be putting these on my fingers anyway, so you're gonna be able to see it how it looks in a minute. Okay, so second we have Soft Lotus, which is this beautiful pink color here. And then last one in this little cute little organza bag, we have Misty Perkin, which is like a glittery kind of green, kind of seafoam. Oh, it's so pretty. You probably can't see it though because my lighting is like really bright here. So I hope you guys are doing well. How are you? I know you're so used to hearing the voice that you hardly ever see the face behind. So now that we have the powders, in order to apply the dip powders to your nails, you are going to need some liquids. Here are the premium liquids. A lot of ASMR. So we have these 4 liquids here. So we have our base, we have our activator, we have our top coat, and then we have our brush cleaner. And it looks like it's spilled just a little bit because we only have like a tiny little bit left. Yep, see there, kind of spilled. Probably happened in customs. I don't know, maybe the cap. But we have a little bit left. We'll probably be able to get at least hopefully one design out of it. So all right, so what else we have inside here? So okay, next up we have a dip powder recycling system. So this is just like a little tray that when you're using your dip powder to apply to your nail, you're going to use it in the tray, and then whatever is left over, you could just pull the tray back out and then reuse the powder again, rather than just wasting a lot of the products. So that's really good to have. And you can just pour it back in the jar once you're all completed, so there's no big cleanup mess, you know. We also have a little brush so that when you are trying to remove any excess powder from your nails, this is the brush that you would use, so that's nice to have. It also comes with a set of dip powder instructions, so it's a small little pamphlet in here. It tells you all the application steps, how to use the products, and you know, some frequently asked questions, and also how to remove the dip powder once you're done. And speaking of removal, they actually also included like little clips that you would apply to your nails. So you take your little cotton pad, pour some acetone on it, and then wrap your nails with them, and then you just put these clips on there as well. So that's actually a really nice touch. And they sent me 2 sets of stickers. Yay! Okay, and then also I have some Swatch Sticks here. So they did actually send Swatch Sticks so that if you were just wanting to see the colors, you could just do that rather than do your nails. But I'm going to be using all 3 colors on my nails anyway. So the 2 stickers that they sent me is butterflies, and you guys know that I love butterflies, so I really like those. And then we also have some designer stickers here. You got the LV. Oh, that is so cool. Again, thank you so much, Double Dip, for sending me all of these products to try. I'm gonna get started on doing some nail designs for you. So if you guys want to see how I did my nails, please keep watching. Okay, so I have my nail tips on. I just applied them with some clear poly gel. And let's quickly look over the dip instructions. Thank you for supporting our small women R-rated business. So they have 2,000 shades, and they are vegan-friendly, cruelty-free, and PETA-approved colors. And a portion of every purchase that you make is donated to a nonprofit organization, Dress for Success, that helps support low-income women. Oh, that is really nice. I didn't even know that. So if you were looking for one reason to purchase from Double Dip, there is your reason right there. You're going to be supporting some low-income women. Okay, so we've done the preparation and the application for artificial nails. So we have our colors here, and we have our brush set up. We have our little tray. I'm actually not sure I'm going to use the tray because it's so small. Okay, so this is our base, and then you use the clear. Okay, so I'm going to use my tray because I feel like I want to be able to press into, so I need to make sure that it's clean. All right, so let's get started. So we're going to first start off by applying the dip base. Now, because my nail tips are long, this is why I have to pour the dip powder into this tray and then kind of put my finger upside down and press down into it. Otherwise, it won't fully cover the full nail. So if you're going to be wearing long nails, I suggest that you put yours flat into a tray and then dip your finger just like this. I don't know why it smells so sweet. It smells like strawberries or something. It smells really nice. I don't know if they've scented it, you know, to help with the smell. Sometimes these dip products can have similar odor to monomer them. So I was actually reading that before you apply any colored dip powder, you should always start off with a layer of clear dip powder. I don't actually have a clear, but this color here is the closest that I have from Double Dip. So I'm just going in with a layer of this kind of white clear dip powder over all of my nails, and then we're going to go in with the colored dip powder. So here's how all of the nails are looking so far. They are looking okay so far. So I'm done with this for the moment. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the colored ones. Now, unfortunately, the brush cleaning solution, it's not enough for the brush to actually reach. I tried to use the solution that came in this kit, but unfortunately, because it spilled or evaporated a little bit, I didn't have enough to clean the brush. So I ended up looking for the old brush cleaner that was from the first dip powder kit that I had for a few months now in order to clean the brush. But what I will say is, This pink color is really stunning. It's so pretty. It's the perfect pink. It's the perfect pink for all complexions. I absolutely love how beautiful it looks. It looks like it has like a little sparkle effect to it. Absolutely loved it. So yeah, I used the old dip solution, brush solution in order to clean the brush, and then I'm moving on to my other nails. Now for my index finger and for my pinky finger, I want to try to see if I could actually do like a marble effect. And I know I can't really do like the full real marble because I don't have the monomer to do it, but I'm just drawing like zigzag lines using the base gel. And then I'm going to just dip my finger into the color that I want, allow that to dry, and then go in with the other color. Well, it looks a little bit more like a candy cane more than a marble. So yeah, I kind of knew it wouldn't fully be a marble, but at least you knew that you can do designs a little bit different on your nail than just having the plain color all over your nail. So I'm going to let that dry just for a little bit, and then I'm going to go in with that beautiful kind of glittery green other color that's in this collection as well. And for my middle finger, I'm just going to do like a side French. So I'm going to apply some of the glitter to a portion of the nail and then just leave the bottom like a side French. And for my ring finger, I'm just going to go ahead and apply a full cover of that pink dip powder that we used earlier on my thumb. Now the nails have all dried with that layer of base gel and the dip powder, I'm just going to brush off the excess. And now I'm going to go in with this clear dip powder that was from the previous kit. And I just want to cap the nails just to protect that color. So I'm going in with another layer of this base coat. And then I'm going to go and dip my fingers into the clear and allow that to dry. The nails are done drying and this is how they look so far. Still have some work to do, but now we are ready to apply the activator, and this is going to help harden the nails so that I can start to file and shape them. We are now ready to file and shape our nails. So I'm going to grab my 100-180 file and I'm just going to go ahead and file the edges of the nails, making sure it is nice and straight. And it is looking pretty good, pretty sharp. Actually, I really enjoyed applying this dip, you know. I really did. I know that it's a lot of work and I'm very lazy. I will happily say that I'm a very lazy nail enthusiast. I don't like the filing part, but this was actually fun. So once I have done filing and shaping, then I go ahead with the top coat over all of the nails. I'm grabbing the stickers that came with this collection, and I'm also going to pair it with some other stickers and foil transfer that I have here. So I'm going to take my foil glue, and the foil transfer I'm going to put on my ring finger. I got this foil transfer from one of my subscribers, Dawn, and it's going to pair nicely with these LV stickers that came in this kit. I'm also going to use my little line art gel just to add a little bit of color to some of the other nails. And then I'm going to finish designing these off camera. And here is the completed look of these nails. They really do look like acrylic nails. They are so cute and so pretty. And I would say this is my second time trying dip. So I think I did okay. What do you guys think? So I did take the charm off to see which one I liked best. I actually think I like the one without the charm, so that you can see that beautiful glitter mix from the dip powder. Again, thank you so much to Double Dip for sending these products over to me to review. I really enjoyed using them. I hope you guys give it a try, and I will see you in the next one.